Alright guys, welcome back again to Campus Vibe J. Patricia subscribe here. Mishawa yani sisiana. The information in our bebra. We na Kennedy Agyapong ebo ma Obinim enyomina ada senior waye bibi. Na we body na ekosi 13 na 13 no no. Edim ba ku bibi pie mu ana a surprise you be because the woman now involved no. Oye celebrity chase Obinim no ani Obinim Benedicta Gafah na yina beka ya inwa Benedicta oye actress oye Kumawood actress na shen kan wa ba TV3 o hosti talented case so Obinim o taste papa because abaya Benedicta Gafah no hu tra papa kasha me ba no picture shi.
You keep watching the Campus Vibe on YouTube. I'm Honorable Aponcha watching it. You also can watch it too. So you should watch it. Campus Vibe. They'll give you more vibes like you are in ice.
Yes, I break a bullet in Nama. 1 Priscilla, 2 Lavia, 3 Perpetua, 4 Edna, 5 Edna and the Mame, 6 Eunice Archer, Yahaida Manuel Madina, 7 Jemima, 8 Abrefi the champion girl of Felina Rove, 9 Suzy, 10 Ivy, 11 Edna Bakubium, 12 Benedicta Gafah chief striker, and at 13 Agyapong airport. My simple dinner champion, where Roko or 2 day and after say, Akwaka Obinim Hall of Fame no 1 Priscilla, 2 Lavia, 3 Perpetua, 4 Edna, 5 Edna Nemame, 6 Eunice Madina, 7 Jemima, 8 Abrefi Koto, Abrefi the champion girl, 9 Suzy, 10 Ivy, 11 Edna, 12 Benedicta Gafah, 13 Agyapong airport. Listen and say baby or but kakra on a religion and a demon. I asked him the same number as she found corner. And your mama is so being so down to me that because in some mood true, a mood to papa. I didn't number bro into subscribe. Now the 2 and I just say, I say, it's the question. And the